Qatar, a small yet immensely resource-rich nation, has carved out a unique identity on the world stage. Located in the southern part of the Arabian Gulf, this country is not only known for its wealth and natural resources, but also for its fascinating history, traditions, and modern development projects. Qatar's rapid transformation and its role on the international front have positioned it among the world's major economies. The story of Qatar begins with its abundant natural resources, particularly oil and natural gas, which form the cornerstone of its economic development. However, Qatar's significance extends far beyond its economic might. The nation has successfully balanced the preservation of its ancient culture and heritage while making strides toward modernization. This blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology creates a unique tapestry that defines Qatar today. Doha, the capital of Qatar, is not just the political and economic hub, but has also become a center for arts and culture. The city's soaring skyscrapers, state-of-the-art stadiums, and some of the world's most expensive art collections are testaments to Qatar's ambitions for future development and its desire to establish a prominent position on the global stage. By hosting the 2022 FIFA World Cup, Qatar showcased its ability to host major international events, earning global recognition for its modern stadiums and technological advancements. However, Qatar's astonishing attributes are not confined to its economic and technological domains. Its natural wonders, such as Khor al-Adaid, present a rare landscape where desert meets sea, while its historic pearling industry keeps alive the tales of its past. Traditional practices, like camel racing, have been modernized, now utilizing robotic jockeys, demonstrating Qatar's unique ability to merge ancient customs with modern innovations. Furthermore, Qatar offers its residents a tax-free lifestyle, making it an attractive destination for professionals and expatriates from around the globe. The government has created a safe and developed environment for both citizens and foreigners, providing free education and healthcare services. We will explore 10 intriguing and unique facts about Qatar that may surprise you and provide deeper insights into the country's true significance and progress. These facts will enhance your understanding of Qatar's history, economy, culture, and natural beauty. 1. Richest country per capita. Qatar consistently ranks among the wealthiest countries in the world in terms of GDP per capita, thanks to its enormous natural gas and oil reserves. With a population of roughly 3 million, Qatar's small size and immense energy resources have made it a global economic powerhouse. The International Monetary Fund and the World Bank have often placed Qatar at or near the top of the list of the richest countries. Its wealth stems primarily from the exploitation of the North Field, the largest natural gas field in the world, which has enabled the country to develop a high standard of living and offer its citizens free education, healthcare, and substantial subsidies. 2. No personal income tax. Qatar is a tax-free haven for individuals. There is no personal income tax, which makes it an attractive destination for expatriates who come to work in its thriving sectors like oil, gas, and construction. While most countries levy taxes on their citizens' income, Qatar's wealth from natural resources allows the government to maintain a tax-free environment. The country relies on its massive gas and oil revenues to finance public services. This tax-free system contributes significantly to Qatar's ability to attract skilled workers from around the globe. 3. Largest natural gas field. Qatar shares the North Field, the largest natural gas field in the world, with Iran. Covering an area of over 9,700 square kilometers, it holds about 10% of the world's known natural gas reserves. Discovered in the 1970s, the North Field transformed Qatar's economy from a small pearling nation into an energy superpower. Qatar's state-owned energy company, Qatar Energy, oversees the extraction and exportation of liquefied natural gas, or LNG, making Qatar the world's largest exporter of LNG. This dominance in the energy sector continues to fuel Qatar's wealth and influence globally. 4. Futuristic skyline. Doha, the capital city, has a rapidly developing and futuristic skyline filled with cutting-edge skyscrapers and ultra-modern architecture. Iconic structures such as the Tornado Tower, Burj Doha, and Al Bida Tower are just a few examples of Doha's striking architecture. The city's skyline has been shaped by some of the world's most prominent architects, reflecting Qatar's aspirations for modernity and global prestige. Doha's skyline is often seen as a symbol of the country's rapid modernization, where luxury hotels, international corporations, and cultural institutions coexist. In preparation for hosting the 2022 FIFA World Cup, Qatar built several stadiums equipped with air conditioning technology to combat the intense desert heat. These stadiums, such as the Al Janoub Stadium and Al Bayt Stadium, use advanced cooling systems designed to maintain comfortable temperatures for both players and spectators. The cooling technology reduces the temperature inside the stadiums by up to 20 degrees Celsius, or 36 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing games to be played even during the country's hot summer months. This innovation reflects Qatar's commitment to showcasing the World Cup while addressing concerns about the region's extreme climate. Qatar has become a major player in the global art market. The country's Qatar Museums Authority, under the leadership of Sheikha Al Mayasa bint Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, has acquired some of the world's most expensive art pieces. Notably, Qatar purchased Paul Cézanne's painting, The Card Players, for over $250 million in 2011, making it one of the most expensive art deals in history. Qatar has also invested heavily in contemporary and Islamic art, and its museums, such as the Museum of Islamic Art in Doha, display these acquisitions. The country's ambition is to become a global cultural hub, fostering dialogue between East and West through art and culture. Camel racing is one of Qatar's most cherished and traditional sports, dating back centuries to the Bedouin culture. However, in recent decades, the sport has undergone modernization. Instead of using human jockeys, Qatar introduced robot jockeys to ride the camels. This shift occurred after international concerns were raised about the use of child jockeys in camel racing, leading to reforms in the early 2000s. The robots are controlled remotely by handlers who follow the race in vehicles alongside the track. This combination of ancient tradition and modern technology highlights Qatar's ability to preserve its heritage while embracing innovation. Before oil and gas were discovered, Qatar's economy was heavily reliant on pearling. The country's coastal waters were once home to some of the finest pearls in the world, and pearling was a significant source of income. In the early 20th century, Japanese cultured pearls caused a collapse in the natural pearl market, leading to economic hardship in Qatar. However, the country's pearling history is honored in the Pearl Qatar, an artificial island off the coast of Doha. This luxury development includes residential villas, upscale shopping, and marinas, symbolizing the transformation of Qatar from a pearling economy to a modern, wealthy state. Khor Al Adaid, also known as the Inland Sea, is a remarkable natural wonder located in the southern part of Qatar. It is one of the few places in the world where the sea encroaches deep into the desert, creating a breathtaking landscape where sand dunes meet the waters of the Arabian Gulf. This UNESCO-recognized site is popular among tourists and locals for desert safaris, dune bashing, and camping. It is also a biodiversity hotspot, home to various wildlife, including rare species of birds and marine life. The inland sea offers a stunning contrast between desert and ocean, making it a unique and protected environment. Qatar is one of the driest countries in the world, receiving an average of only 70 to 80 millimeters, or 2.8 to 3.1 inches, of rainfall per year. This level of rainfall is lower than that of many deserts, such as the Sahara, making Qatar an incredibly arid country. Despite this, Qatar has developed innovative water management strategies, including the extensive use of desalination plants to convert seawater into potable water. The country's infrastructure is built to withstand the hot, dry climate, and technologies like green roofs and water recycling are becoming more common to ensure sustainable living in such a harsh environment. These surprising facts show how Qatar has leveraged its natural resources, wealth, and innovation to become a modern global leader while preserving its cultural heritage and adapting to its challenging desert environment.